So, hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, we're going to discuss yet another very interesting problem which was asked in Amazon Hackathon. Okay, very interesting problem it is. But guys, before discussing this problem, let's give congratulations to our student. Well, the student's name is Monica. Okay, so congratulations, Monica. Hearty congratulations to you. Uh, okay, I think this is the post of Monica. Yeah, Monica Jha. So, guys, Monica is our previous year August batch student, and on June 1, she has cracked, off campus offers engineer 2 in Flipkart and FedEx. She was fully beginner in coding last year, but now she has improved and cracked great offers. So, congratulations to Monica. Let's put the actual link here. Yeah. Now, guys, going to the question. You guys can open and check the problem, and you will get many insights on the problem. Okay. Similarly, guys, I want to show this to you people. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Let me check. Uh, yeah. Community videos. Okay, seems like the username has changed. Guys, this is the YouTube channel. See, you can see that just 4 days ago, Amazon Hackon OA, another problem was discussed. This was the video. Now, guys, we are again discussing another problem. There are like 50 to 100 different problems were asked in Amazon Hackon OA. I'm trying to discuss the hard and interesting ones so that we can learn something from it. Okay. In case you don't know, this is the link to the channel. Okay, uh, those people who don't have, they can subscribe there also. Now guys, we can start the session. So if you check the question, yeah, link to the problem. If someone does not have the link to the problem, they can open this and check it out. Now guys, directly jumping into the question, very interesting problem. You are tasked with efficiently deleting records from a large database stored in an array ARR, which has a length of n. Okay, your objective is to delete the records using the minimum number of operations possible. In one operation, you can remove a strictly increasing subsequence of records from the array. Okay, so guys, what is the question trying to tell you? This is not an easy problem. Let's first. The thing is, guys, I will never directly tell you the solution. I will make sure that you guys think with me and we both reach a solution together with the pure organic thinking and pure analysis. That will strengthen our coding skills. So, guys, what is the understanding of the problem? It is simple. Given an array, delete the whole array. Delete the whole array using minimum number of steps. Guys, in minimum number of steps, you have to delete the whole array. All elements of the array should be getting deleted. Okay, given an array of size n, you have to delete the whole array using the minimum number of steps. Okay, so let's get to the crux of it. We are given an array of size n, and we have to delete the whole array in minimum using minimum number of steps. Guys, minimum number of steps. So guys, let's try to bring some feeling into this. In one step, what can you do? In one step, you can pick up any strictly increasing sequence. In one step, you can pick up any strictly increasing sequence and delete it from the array. That's it guys, that's it. Such a brilliant problem it is. Slowly you will understand. So these things are clear to you people. Guys, if I give you, let's say, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the array given to you. What is the size of this array, guys? It is n equal to 8, right? Yeah. How many steps will it take to destroy this array? You guys need to start writing the answer in the chat now. Guys, what do you think? How many steps it is going to take to destroy this array? In one step, you can select any set of elements which are in strictly increasing order. Guys, people are saying two steps. Guys, can you tell me which are those two steps which we need to do? What will you do in step number one? Which elements will you delete? Yeah, so people are saying that in the first step we will delete 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Why you can delete 1, 2, 3, 4? Because they are in increasing order like this. You can feel it. You can feel it. You can feel it. So you delete it. Now you are left with what? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8 is also in strictly increasing order. You can delete it. And guys, in two steps you solve the problem. But. If someone told you, can you select these elements in the first step 8, 2, 3, 4? Write yes or no in the chat, guys. Can we select 8, 2, 3, 4 as step number 1? Can you tell me why no? Why are you guys saying not possible to select 8, 2, 3, 4? Why are you selecting 1, 2, 3, 4 and not selecting 8, 2, 3, 4? What is the reasoning behind this? Because 8, 2, 3, 4 is not in ascending order. We can only select a subsequence of numbers which are in ascending order. इंक्रीजिंग असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में नंबर होने चाहिए, नहीं तो उनको नहीं उठा सकते हो तुम एक स्टेप में. समझे बात को? Yeah. Now guys, I will be giving you some interesting examples again and again. What is the size of this array? Everyone start writing the answer in the chat, and please be quick. We don't have much time now. Be quick. Guys, please tell me how many steps will it take to solve this problem? How many steps you will perform so that this array gets fully deleted? It is very easy. Try to feel it. Try to feel it. You have to delete all the elements from this array. What are you now gonna do? Think about it. You just need to do two steps. You know what is first step? You select 1, 2 and 4. In step number 1 you will select 1, 2 and 4. This is strictly increasing sequence. Yes, correct. This has been deleted. This has been, in step 1 all these are deleted. In step 2 only one number is there. A single number is always strictly increasing. So in two steps you solve the problem. Everyone write CLR in the chat if the question understanding is now clear to them. Yeah, there are many ways to do it, but you should be able to do it in two steps only. Okay. Obviously, there can be multiple ways to do the same things in two steps, but two is the minimum number of steps possible. Okay. Like if I wanted, I could have done something else also. For example, if this array is given to you guys, how many steps are you guys gonna take to delete this whole array? Use your own brain and write the answer in the chat. Use the lovely brain which is given to you by God. God has given you a great brain. Use it. All people gave the correct answer. See, what is the wrong answer? People could have said, sir, I will take three steps to do it. How? First, I will select 1, comma 2 in step 1. And in the third step, I will select 1. And the second step, I will select 1. First, I will select 1, comma 2. Then I will select 1. Then I will select 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 3 steps. But guys, you can do in 2 steps also. In the first step only you select all these elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You select this much part in the first step itself because it is strictly increasing subsequence. Do you guys understand the meaning of subsequence? Subsequence means any number of elements from left to right such that they are, in our case, in increasing order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 increasing. So ये सारा part delete हो जाएगा. क्या बचा? ये बचा. दूसरे स्टेप में ये कर लेंगे. दो स्टेप में ही हो गया. Got it, guys? Clear? Can we also select 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2? Yes, obviously you can do whatever you want as long as the answer is 2. Okay. You can select 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then no, it is wrong. No, it is correct. If you are talking about this one, na, you can select this also. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, step 1 and 1, 2, the next step. Okay. But the minimum number of steps possible is 2 only. Okay. So guys, yeah, you can, many greedy ideas can come to your mind that I will always remove the longest increasing subsequence. but you guys know it is not possible to again and again find longest increasing subsequence of array, and it does not guarantee that you will get a correct answer. So this problem, guys, even I took few minutes to think, because I am not that much I am not active in CP these days. Okay, it has been years since I was active, though I like regularly I try to go to contest. Okay, but then also I'm not that active. So what was the idea is very simple, guys. Feeling is important. Everyone write feeling in the chat. You guys need to feel the question. Until the feeling is not there, guys, you cannot solve it. You need to write FEELING in the chat. फीलिंग आपको सिर्फ लड़कियों के लिए है, क्वेश्चन के लिए नहीं है, इसलिए आपका हो नहीं रहा है. क्लियर? ट्राई टू ब्रिंग फीलिंग्स फॉर द क्वेश्चन. या. So you need to bring feelings for question, not other people. Feelings for the question. So guys, see, I can feel that this is the array. You also try to feel it. So guys, this much is clear. Now what to do? I don't know what to do. This was the answer which my brain was giving me. Then guys, we carefully observe the array. What is happening in the array? See, something is commonsensical. What is commonsensical, guys? Can anyone write the first observation in the chat? The observation is simple, guys. You can see it in front of your eyes. Observation is we are always removing increasing subsequence from our array. Increasing subsequence from our array. That's it. यही कर रहे हो ना, कुछ अलग तो कर नहीं रहे हो, रॉकेट साइंस नहीं लगा रहे हो तुम, हर बार एरे के अंदर से सब्सीक्वेंस निकाल दे रहे हो. द ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज दैट यू डोंट नो विच सब्सीक्वेंस यू शुड रिमूव, but you don't know which subsequence you should remove, so you get minimum number of steps, but you don't know which subsequence you should remove. To get minimum number of total steps, that's the only problem. Okay, that's it, guys, nothing else. Okay. Okay. So guys, yes, Likit, you can try doing that, but that does not guarantee that your answer will be best, because if you try to remove the subsequence of largest length, the leftover part might not have enough largest increasing subsequences, and it might not give a best answer. For example, there can be many messy examples here. Okay, let's say this is a array of size 100. Okay, the LIS is somewhere around let's say na 30. Okay, when you do it for the first time, but when you do it for the second time, the LIS is coming as 5 only. But in another realm of worlds, in a parallel universe, if you try to select the subsequence of largest length of just size 29, second time when you try, you are getting 25 length LIS again. So the thing is that you cannot just randomly become greedy and do the things here. Okay, got it? So guys, write yes in the chat if you understand that you cannot randomly do things here. कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि पहले बड़ा वाला निकालेंगे तो जो एरे का बचा हुआ होगा उसके बाद में भी एलआई सब बड़े बड़े ही आएंगे. हो सकता है पहले सेकंड लार्जेस्ट को लो तो फिर बाद में बड़ा आ जाए, because one number can contribute to multiple longest increasing subsequences. Okay, whoever has solved longest increasing subsequence problem in dynamic programming, they must be knowing that. Okay, yeah. So what was your Kumar K sir solution? I did nothing special, guys. I told to myself, I will observe and keep track of the increasing subsequences. That's it. Guys, nothing else to do in this problem. Just keep the track and see what is happening. Sometimes in life, you just need observation. Whenever you're traveling the array from left to right, just see which new subsequences are coming. That's it. So the first basic thing is that each array can always be divided in continuous increasing subsequences. Continuous increasing subsequences. Okay, that's easy. That's easy. So guys, no, nothing like that to do, Aman. Nothing like that to do. Because you guys might say the solution, but you will never be able to explain why and what. So here we are for why and what. So thinking skills improve. So guys, listen to me very very carefully. Let's take some example from Amazon question only. It must be there. Okay. One, two, four, three, four, uh, 1, 8, 10. Everyone write CLR, CLR, CLR in the chat if they're able to fill this array. Guys, please be quick. Don't waste much time. Please be quick. Please, guys. Uh, yeah. Guys, yeah. Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. Nice to see you, Aishwarya. So, guys, can you see that every array is nothing but made up of increasing subsequence? आप देख सक रहे हो? This is one increasing subsequence. Okay. Then this is another. Then this is another. Can you not see this that every array is made up of increasing subsequences only? Can someone write this observation nicely in the chat? Every array in this world is made up of strictly increasing subsequences only. पहले 1 2 4 आया बढ़ रहा था देखो पार्ट वन कंटिन्यूअस पार्ट्स में बटे हैं 3 4 then 1 8 10 every array you will be able to find this property even in a decreasing array each number you can make a sub array and call it as increasing strictly increasing subsequence. So guys, what is the theorem? Every array is nothing but made up of what? Strictly increasing subsequences. That also in a continuous fashion. In a continuous fashion. Every array, each array can always be divided in continuous increasing subsequences. That's it. Okay. So guys, I will be giving you an array. Right? Ready in the chat if you're ready to tell me the partitions of the continuous increasing subsequences. So, let's think. Let's think. Guys, start telling me which are the continuous increasing sequences here. Tell me those continuous parts, please, for this array. Learn to visualize. Einstein said it, the best thing a human has is imagination and visualization. Human can do things even without giving the input. He can imagine and visualize, unlike AI. So use it to your full advantage. Tell me, tell me, please. What are the strictly increasing partition? You can see 1 2 3. Okay sir, 1 2 3 is first part. Then the partition is breaking here because 1 is not greater than 3. So 1 5 8 10. 1 5 8 10. Then 9 8 is not strictly increasing, but 9 is as a single number it is strictly increasing. 8 as a single number strictly increasing. There are 4 continuous strictly increasing subsequences. Congratulations. I hope this much you guys are getting for sure. I'm damn sure. Guys, tell me yes in the chat if slowly you are getting some hints toward the solution. Not exact solution, but you have started getting the hints now what is happening. Start writing yes in the chat. What is the hint? वो देखते ही पता चल गया होगा. हाँ सर दिख रहा है. ऐसा कंटिन्यूअस उठाएंगे तो हमको पता चल जाएगा कि कितने सब सीक्वेंस है. 1 2 3 4 एक ही ट्रैवर्सल में बता दोगे. यू जस्ट नीड टू चेक if this is less than okay, keep on increasing the counter. If it breaks up, if your girl leaves you, if she leaves you, then you start the second partition like this. This is just a basic observation. This is not the final stuff. Okay, so in this case, in this particular case, the answer is really 4 only. It can be divided in 4 parts, but I will show you some different examples. Okay, so now look at this example carefully. Okay, guys, can you please tell me the partitions in this one? Guys, quickly start telling me the partitions. Be in a meditative state. Deeply feel it. Feel it. Feelings. Not for her, for the question. What are the increasing partitions in this array? नहीं मैं increasing partitions पूछ रहा हूँ तो they are 1 2 3 and 1 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Okay. Guys, what if I write here 100? Then it will be 1 2 3. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, let it be 1 only. Okay, we can see this. Okay. Okay, we can see it. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Great job. Great job. So you can see the things are pretty easy, not that difficult as you are thinking. It's really easy. It's not difficult. Okay. These are the two sets. Now, guys, I'm going to give you one more example. I'm just making sure that this goes deep inside your brain. That this array is again and again getting divided into stuff, and you can do things easily if you really want to do them easily. Okay. So, guys, what will be the answer for this case? Even the actual answer is also two only. Do you guys realize that the continuous partitions are also two and the actual answer is also two? Guys, right? Yes, 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 yes. Kushal, for 100 it is super easy. 1, 2, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Common sense. Guys, write yes in the chat if this example is clear to you people. This is the new array given to you. If you try to break in continuous sequences, it will be what? 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 9, then 8. Guys, everyone write 3 3 in the chat if they agree that if you try to break this array in continuous sequences, it is getting broke up in three parts. But guys, is 3 the correct answer to this question? If the original question was asked, are 3 steps needed? No. This subsequence can join with this. Na, you can select 1 2 3 8 in one move. Got it, guys. Clear, clear, clear. मैं आपको गारंटी दे सकता हूँ, किसने भी आपको ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा विजुअलाइजेशन के साथ आज तक नहीं कराया. राइट? यस इन द चैट इफ दिस इज ट्रू. गाइस, द विजुअलाइजेशन इज क्लियर. क्या पता चल रहा है इससे? इससे ये पता चल रहा है कंटिन्यूअस पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है, फिर जो जो पार्ट जुड़ने चाहिए उनको एक साथ जोड़ दो. जितना जोड़ोगे उतना स्टेप कम हो जाएंगे. दिस इज कॉमन सेंस. व्हाट द पॉइंट? क्लियर. So this is the brilliancy of this problem, is that if you divide it into contiguous increasing subsequences, uh, just let me write it. Okay. Okay, let's say g equal to what? The number of contiguous sequences. Okay, final answer will always be less than equal to g, because these sequences can be merged, where needed. गाइज, एज यू जॉइन दी सीक्वेंसेज ना, लोड तुम्हारा कम हो जाएगा. रेदर देन 1 2 3 को अलग लेना, इसको अलग लेना, इसको अलग लेना, ये 8 को तुम इसके साथ ले सकते हो, तुम्हारा काम कम हो जाएगा. क्लियर? Nagendra is saying, uh, what was the what was the reason to consider the continuous way of partitioning? There is no reason, Akshay. Just trying to observe what is happening, nothing else. Okay. Later on you will see that it does not hold any importance. I'm just trying to show you, see, this is happening, nothing else. Okay, it is not related to your final solution, don't worry. Okay, just trying to show you that, see, this is the array. If you take contiguous parts like this and then you write them like this, then you can see this is joining this part. Things are becoming easy. Obviously you have to take subsequences, right? You can see what is happening in the contiguous parts and try to make some conclusion, nothing else. It is just for visualization purpose, don't worry. In few cases, why we need to join the array? तुम ही सोचो ना नगेंद्र. 1 2 3 को 8 से जो, in the question they are not telling you to take the sub arrays, they are telling you to take subsequences. Okay, got it, Nagendra? Subsequence means any element you can pick from anywhere in the step 1. It should just be in the increasing sequence. Guys, uh, can you please repeat? Gauri Tiwari, you can read the question here. People are again asking us the same basic question, guys. So, guys, the question is simple. You are given an array of size n. In each move, you can remove any strictly increasing subsequence and delete it from the array. You have to tell the minimum number of steps. If I want, I can do this session very quick, but I'm spending enough time. Even though it takes 2 hours, 3 hours, does not matter. Understanding should be clear. So, guys, I'm trying to explain you. See, if I wanted, I could have given the direct solution, but I will not do that. मैं तुमको दिखा रहा हूँ कि एक बंदा जब देखेगा तो क्या क्या सोच सकता है. बंदा एरे देखेगा, उसके इंक्रीजिंग पार्ट सोच सकता है, उसके कॉमन पार्ट सोच सकता है, उनको ज्वाइन करना सोच सकता है. ये सब एक नॉर्मल पर्सन सोचता है. उसके बाद आंसर आता है. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू लाइक अदर्स की चालू कर दे सीधे सोल्यूशन दिस दिस दिस. Why is very important. That's why I'm doing it slow. Right? Yes, in the chat if you understand why am I doing it slow. ताकि पता चले, क्योंकि एग्जाम में तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि डायरेक्ट तुम एसओएल लिख के चालू कर दोगे, सोचना पड़ेगा. राइट? दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट स्लो, so you understand and learn how to think. So guys, these things are clear to you. Now guys, let's discuss the brilliant way to keep track of all these sequences. This is the easiest way to do. So guys, in the past we have kept the track of sequences like this, right? Taking the sub arrays and trying to see. Now let's try to do it in a different manner. Okay, let's try to do it in a different manner. Yeah, it is charged, Priyansh. Yes, Kunchal, this is the way to practice. Okay, just looking at the solution and going at कभी जिंदगी में तुम्हारा हो ही नहीं होगा फिर. So guys, everyone write brilliant brilliant in the chat if they now want to see the brilliant way to keep the track of increasing subsequences. So guys, अब ध्यान से सुनना मेरी बात को. 1 2 3 1 2 3 9 7 10. Okay, so guys, what I am doing now, I am creating a data structure to store all the increasing subsequences. Okay, that's it. So guys, what will I do? आप ही बताओ. मैंने वन को देखा, मैं क्या करूं? वन को डाल दूं कोई भी जगह पे? यस और नो गाइस? मैंने वन, आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग माई वन इन सम इमेजिनरी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर वन. डू यू गाइज अलाउ मी टू पुट इट देयर? राइट, यस और नो इन द चैट. अरे कहीं ना कहीं तो इसको स्टोर करना पड़ेगा ना विजुअलाइज करने के लिए कि वन आया था. आया था कि नहीं आया था? या जस्ट किरण, योर वन टू वन मेंटरिंग विल हैपन सून. गाइज अब जब टू आया है तो आप ही बताओ गाइज, टू को मुझे कहाँ रखना चाहिए? जरा दिमाग लगाना. वन के बाद ही रखना चाहिए कि कहीं और रख दो कहीं भी मन से? Increase, I want to keep track, guys. My aim is keep track of increasing sequences. That's it. So 1 के बाद 2 है तो 2 ऐसे रखना चाहिए ना ट्रैक. Yes or no guys? Common sense है. Aniket, you can try and write the greedy and then it will fail and then we'll see the, yeah. So guys, in same DS, yeah. Greedy is correct, but the correct greedy algorithm you should use, not of taking the longest LIS again and again. And even if you try to take longest LIS again, it will be n square log n square. LIS निकालने में n log n लगता है एक बार में. ठीक है ना, भूलना मत उस बात को. Anyways, so guys, I just keep 2 after that. Okay guys, अभी आप ही बताओ. I came here, what should I do with these 3 guys? क्या करूं मैं इन मोहतरमा का? जल्दी बताइए. मैंने 1 लिख दिया. गाइस, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कीप द ट्रैक ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग सीक्वेंस. जो इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं उनको नंबर में मैं पेपर में लिख रहा हूं, तो 3 को 2 के बाद ही लिखना चाहिए. यस और नो गाइस? यस और नो गाइस? या. नाउ गाइस कम्स द ब्रिलियंसी. व्हाट इज द ब्रिलियंसी? नाउ 1 इज कमिंग. गाइस दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलो, क्या 1 को 3 के पीछे लिखना चाहिए? क्या 1 को 3 के पीछे लिखूंगा तो इंक्रीजिंग सबसीक्वेंस रह जाएगा वो? क्या सच बोलना, झूठ मत बोलना बिल्कुल भी. तो गाइस 1 के लिए दूसरा जगह क्रिएट करो, यहां पर 1 लिखेंगे. गाइस कैन यू सी फर्स्ट सबसीक्वेंस, और यहां पर अब दूसरा लिखना चालू कर रहा हूं. एवरीवन राइट यस सर इफ दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ब्रिलियंसी आर वी डूइंग. व्हेनेवर अ नंबर इज कमिंग ना, वी आर चेकिंग कि वो कौन से सबसीक्वेंस में जा सकता है, उसको उधर डाल दो, काम खत्म. दैट्स इट. गॉट इट? क्लियर? सो सिंपल. सो गाइस अब ये 1 आया, मैंने इधर डाल दिया. गाइस अब 2 आ रहा. अब जरा बताओ 2 को मैं पहले में डालूं कि दूसरे वाले सबसीक्वेंस में डालूं? कहां डालूं इसको कि ये सारे के सारे स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग रहे? दिमाग यूज कीजिए. भगवान ने आपको जो दिमाग दिया उसको यूज कीजिए और मुझे आंसर बताइए। सेकंड वाले में डाल दिया, सिंपल। गाइस ये 3 आ रहा है अभी, अभी क्या करूं इसको? मैं इसको पहले वाले के पास डालूं कि दूसरे वाले के पास डालूं? कहाँ डालूं? सेकंड वाले के पास डाल दिया। लो, नाउ I assume I have some kind of adjacency list, okay? This first subsequence is also maintained, this second subsequence is also maintained. Great job. Guys ये 7 आ रहा है। अब दिल पे हाथ रख के बताओ 7 कहाँ कहाँ पर जा सकता है? देयर आर 3 ऑप्शंस। या तो मैं 7 का एक अलग सबसीक्वेंस बना दूं, या तो 7 को फर्स्ट वाले के पीछे जोड़ दूं, या दूसरे वाले के पीछे जोड़ दूं। गाइस दिल पर हाथ रख के सच सच बताओ 7 कहाँ कहाँ जा सकता है? झूठ मत बोलना। At what places 7 can go and should go? Tell me. Subsequence 1, 2 or create own 3? 1 and 2. Correct, correct. Guys, write yes in the chat if you now understood how to solve this problem. It is such a easy problem. तुमको जो नंबर आ रहा है बस ये देखना है कि वो कौन से सीक्वेंस में जाना चाहिए, उसको तो डाल दो। दिखती बात है 7 आ रहा है, राइट? अरे खुद का क्यों क्रिएट कर रहे हो? स्टेप्स बढ़ जाएंगे ना बेटा। गाइज राइट यस इन द चैट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कभी भी कोई नया नंबर आया तो उसको खुद का सेट मत बनाने दो, नहीं तो उसके स्टेप बढ़ जाएंगे। उसको किसी और के अंदर डालो। कॉमन सेंस होना चाहिए बात। तो गाइज 7 का खुद का मत बनाओ। इसको या तो मैं पहले वाले 1 2 3 के पीछे डाल सकता हूं, और आई कैन पुट इट बिहाइंड द सेकंड 1 2 3। आई कैन डू एनीथिंग, ईदर 1 और 2, चूज एनीवन, इट डज नॉट मैटर। सो गाइज चलो सेकंड वाले के पीछे मैंने 7 डाल दिया। ओके गाइज नाउ 10 इज कमिंग। प्लीज टेल मी गाइज 10 को मैं कहां कहां पर डाल सकता हूं? क्या आप मुझे बताएंगे इसका आंसर? Where can I put 10 and where should I put 10 guys? Lovely people, love you. Please tell me the answer. दोनों जगह डाल सकता था मैं। 3 के बाद भी डाल सकता था और इस 7 वाले के बाद भी डाल सकता था। Got it? Got it? But guys, there is a very sneaky trick which you don't know, जो मैं आज तुमको क्लियरली बता दे रहा हूँ। समझो पहला सीक्वेंस आपके पास ये पड़ा है, ठीक है, फर्स्ट वाला, और सेकंड सीक्वेंस आपके पास ये वाला पड़ा है, ठीक है, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर आपका करंट नंबर 10 है, ठीक है, ओके। समझो 10 के बाद 4 आ रहा है, ठीक है, क्लियर क्लियर क्लियर। अब आई नो दैट 10 कैन गो हियर ऑल्सो, 10 कैन गो हियर ऑल्सो, दोनों जगह जा सकता है। अगर मैं इफ आई ट्राई टू पुट 10 एट द सेकंड प्लेस, व्हाट इज गोना हैपन? 1 2 3 7 10, and then when the 4 comes it will go at the first sequence 1 2 3 4। but guys अगर मैंने 10 को पहले वाले में डाल दिया तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 2 3 10 और नीचे वाला 1 2 3 7। 4 को आने का जगह ही नहीं मिलेगा, 4 खुद का बना लेगा। अरे 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 गलती हो गई। means when you have multiple options, take the biggest one. Such a brilliant problem this is, guys, teaching you so many things. तुमको पता है वो 3 के पास भी जा सकता है, 7, पर तुम 7 को ही लोगे। क्यों? जो बचा है उसको दूसरों को आने के ऑप्शंस मिले। गॉट इट? ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गो विद द बिगेस्ट वन। क्लियर? या so guys write brilliant in the chat if you have understood what is happening and everything is clear. Yeah, so guys yeah, I will explain you. Don't worry guys, love you all, take care. So guys कुछ इसमें ज़्यादा नहीं है, it is very easy question. So now let's start discussing all the cases, okay? So if so guys चलो अभी सारे cases को उड़ा देते हैं, okay? So guys 1 2 4 3 के साथ करते हैं। चलो guys tell me what to do. One number put here, guys. Now we'll directly solve many examples. One number put here, okay. 2, okay, first set. 4, okay, first set. 3, second set. How many sequences are there? 1 and 2. Solved. Guys, everyone write yes in the chat if they now know how to solve the question. Whenever something comes, सेट में डालना चालू करो। कौन से में जाना चाहिए? जहां अच्छा लगता है वहां डाल दो उसको, ठीक है। जब मल्टीपल ऑप्शन होंगे तो सबसे बड़े वाले को उठाना। सबसे बड़े वाले को उठाने का फायदा यह है कि जो छोटे वाले हैं ना, उनका फ्यूचर में किसी और के साथ रिलेशनशिप बन सकता है। समझे बात को? फॉर एग्जाम्पल You are in fourth year. Now this is not a very good example, but we ready. You are in fourth year. You like a girl in first year also, second year also, third year also. With whom should you guys try to talk more? First year wali, second or third year? Use your brain, write the answer. Yeah, third. Why? ताकि बाकी लोगों के लिए जो छोटे उम्र के है, आपके बाद कोई और सीक्वेंस में खड़ा है, वो उनसे बात कर पाए. समझिए बात को. क्लियर, फुल्ली क्लियर फ्रॉम इन डेप्थ. या ग्रेट जॉब. और खुद के ईयर वाले से तो बात कर नहीं सकते. ओके, स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग सीक्वेंस, राइट? So this is finally now clear. So guys, let's take some. So guys, now let's take some more example, guys. Again and again, we will take example. Okay, guys, we will not stop. 7, 9, 10, 14. Okay, 14, 12, 13, 14. Guys, चलो इसका बताओ. Guys, what to do? First set 14. Then 12 तो नहीं आएगा. 12 second set. 13 ये इसके बाद आएगा. 13, 14 ये इसके बाद आएगा. Guys, in the end, what will be the answer? The number of sequences you got. You can store this in an adjacency list. आप इनको adjacency list में store कर सकते हो. But guys, the solution is pretty simple, and let me write it here now. You can use sorted sets, okay, for that. Okay. Watch video for visualization. You can just create array of sorted sets. Guys, I have created a yeah, we can do many things, Bhaskar. Okay, watch video. You can just create, guys. What, guys? को इसको can someone write it? Tell me nicely for this. You can just create array of sets, and put the numbers in the increasing order where they should be put. Okay, that's it. Now guys, these basic things are clear to you people. Yeah, you can do many things, but guys, using sorted set is good. But guys, now there is another moment of brilliancy. I will write this as brilliancy number 1. Brilliancy number 1. Guys, ready for brilliancy number 2? Right? Ready in the chat. 1, 2, 4. Even I don't know the answer for this, Shruti Patil. 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 6, 5. क्या करेंगे इसमें? 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6 maybe. Guys, what do you think is the answer for 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 6, 5? What is the answer for this test case? Can you guys tell me in the chat? I am still thinking. 4, 5. Shruti, what is your answer? And what are other people answer? Yeah, I also think it is 3 only. Yeah, it is 3 only. Because if we try to take different sets like 1, then 2, then we will try to put the 4 there, then 3 we will put at other place, then 9. Okay, 9 we will try to put behind 4. Okay, 3, then 6, then 5. Yeah, seems like that. Anyways, guys, now let's discuss some more test cases. These many things are clear. This problem is little difficult, but I hope the understanding is clear. Guys, brilliancy 1 is clear to all of us. Now, brilliancy 2. So guys, be ready for brilliancy number 2. Okay. अक्षय कुमार, आप बॉलीवुड छोड़ के यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हो? जब देखो हर क्वेश्चन में डाउट पूछते रहते हो. आपको उधर अभी पेमेंट नहीं मिल रही है क्या इनफ? आप आईटी में आ गए हो, HD3 बनना है आपको, इधर भी टैक्स लगता है. बट आई डिड नॉट गेट योर क्वेश्चन अक्षय कुमार. आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नहीं है तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? बहुत खिलाड़ी बन रहे हो. यू डिड नॉट आस्क मी एनी क्वेश्चन एंड यू आर टेलिंग मी सर प्लीज लुक एट माय क्वेश्चन. सो वेयर इज योर क्वेश्चन? ऊपर गया भैया, अब अभी नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. कॉपी पेस्ट करके फिर से डालना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना? आई कैनॉट। तुमने जो आधे घंटे पहले पूछा था वो, व्हाट यू मीन बाय द बिगेस्ट? अरे मेरा कहने का ये मतलब है 1 2 3, 1 2 3 7, this 10, this 10 wants to form, make a relationship. So Akshay, tell me, 10 can go here also and 10 can go here also, but I am saying let put the 10 at in the sequence number 2, the sequence which is having the this number less than 10 but bigger than this one. 3 and 7 may 7 is bigger, so go with this one. Okay. What good thing does this do? The good thing it does is that it creates the space. If smaller numbers are coming later on, they can go and join this 3. Okay. The numbers like let's say 4 5 6, अगर तुम 10 इधर डाल देते तो फिर 4 5 6 को यहाँ पर आने का कभी मौका नहीं मिलता. Okay. Clear to you people? Okay. Now guys, yeah. Guys, now you to listen to me carefully. Please be listening to me carefully. Okay. Now guys, again back to focus. One, two. This question is easy. Don't worry. Very easy. 1 4 8 1 5 10. What is the solution to this, guys? First sequence I'm making 1 2. Second sequence 1 4. अब बड़ी दुविधा है, 4 को कहाँ डाले, यहाँ डाले कि यहाँ पर? Guys, if you have to put in first one, react with heart. If you want to put 4 in second one, react with a thumbs up emoji. अभी अभी आपको सिखाया था. If it is eligible at both the places, where will you put, guys? I taught you. बड़े वाले में डालना है, बड़े वाले में, छोटे वाले में नहीं. So 4 यहाँ पर भी आना अलाउड है, यहाँ पर भी, बट मैं तो 4 को यहाँ पर डालूंगा. बहुत लंबी सोच के हिसाब से, कभी अगर फ्यूचर में 2 3 आए तो 2 3 को यहाँ पर आने का मौका मिले. तुमने 4 डाल दिया तो यहाँ पर 2 3 आ ही नहीं पाएगा. दूसरों का भी सोचना है, सिर्फ खुद का मत सोचो, दूसरों का भी सोचना पड़ता है. क्लियर? इन दिस वर्ल्ड थिंक अबाउट अदर्स ऑल्सो, डोंट जस्ट थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ. सो 4 आई पुट हियर. गाइज 8, आप ही बताइए गाइज, इफ हियर देन रिएक्ट विद हार्ट और थम्स अप. Obviously this is bigger number, so 8 should come here. Okay. Now 1 cannot be put anywhere, so 1 के लिए तीसरा सीक्वेंस 5. अब 5 तो यहाँ आ नहीं सकते, इन दोनों में कहीं भी डाल सकते बिकॉज बोथ आर 1, so 5 here. Okay. 10, well here, and that's it guys. 1 2 4 8 10, 1 5 subsequence and 1 3 is the answer. 1 2 3. Guys, everyone write CLR 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 in the chat if this basic stuff is clear to them. Even though they don't know how to implement, you understand how the algorithm is working, right? Yeah. But guys, now comes the brilliant observation. Guys, what is the brilliant observation? Can someone tell me, guys, what is the biggest observation here? Only the last element of each set matters, guys. पुराने elements को save रखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Write brilliancy 2 in the chat. Brilliancy number 2. This means हमको सिर्फ लास्ट नंबर का ट्रैक रखना है, आगे कौन आया क्या आया हमको क्या करना भाई, भाड़ में जाए. We don't care for it. Because when a new number comes, वो सबका पीछे का पार्टी देख के घुस रहा है ना, आगे का तो देख नहीं रहा है वो. It means the question is solved. You can use a simple set. Brilliancy number 2. Guys, just keep the last elements in the sorted sets. Problem solved. Right? Yes in the chat if it's clear to you. Just maintain the last element. That's it. Solved. अब बात क्या है, ये सारी चीजें कहीं पर भी इंटरनेट में समझाई नहीं. अगर आप इंटरनेट पे बहुत रिसर्च करोगे आपको क्या मिलेगा, मैं बता देता हूं. वो आपको क्या बोलेंगे, चैट जीपीटी भी आपको यही बोलेगा, उसने भी तो मेमोराइज किया, राइट? दे विल टेल यू दिस थिंग. ओके, कीप अ एलिमेंट इन सेट, इफ लाइक दिस पुश, इफ लाइक दिस पॉप. इफ यू आस्क व्हाई, नो आंसर. शांति 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 शांति, नो आंसर. इतना बड़ा विजुअलाइजेशन चाहिए होता है कि पहले हम इतना सब मेंटेन कर रहे थे, ऐसा हो रहा था वैसा हो रहा था, तब जाके अब लास्ट एलिमेंट कंसीडर कर रहे इसलिए ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है. ये सब नहीं बता रहे वो लोग नेट पर. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग दिस सेशन. ओके, Yeah. Now, yeah. uh, it depends, like ChatGPT 4.5 can do, I think, but it fails some corner cases. So ChatGPT 4, right, not 4.5. Anyways guys, these things are clear. Now guys, write CLR in the chat guys. Ab ekdam easy, very easy algorithm we are going to discuss. Code guys, you have to write yourself. Very simple it is. Okay. Guys, can anyone tell me a hard test case please? 1 2 4 5 1 2 4. Yes, Sundaram. This is the answer because 1, 2, you will put it in 4, and then for 3, you will create another stuff, and then 9, again, you will put, yeah. 9 को तुम डालोगे उसके पीछे. Many answers are possible, Sundaram, but our algorithm will make sure that the steps, number of steps are minimum. So it will again be 2. Yes, Gaurav, correct. So, guys, Anshul has given 459. Bhaskar, थोड़ी तो मेहनत करो अपने एग्जाम्पल में. तुमने क्या 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 लिख दिया है? अच्छा, नहीं, सॉरी. इट इज 1 2 5 4 3 6 8 7 9 10. ओके. सो गाइज, नाउ रेडी, बी रेडी फॉर द शॉर्टकट. एंड गाइज, यू आर प्रो बैच पीपल, सो कोड आपको खुद से लिखनी है, ठीक है? तो चलो फाल्गुन जी के साथ डिस्कस करते हैं. सो 1 2 4 गाइज इन योर बुक पेपर पेन, चलो सोल्यूशन. 1 2 4 10 8 21 6 7 3 4 5. Guys, what will you store in your set? Set will store what? End element of the increasing sequences. In your set, you will be storing end element of your increasing subsequences. Got it? तो भी मैं आपको विजुअलाइज करके एक बार नॉर्मल वाले से बता देता हूं. ये 1 आया, ये मैंने डाल दिया 1 को इधर, ठीक है? डन सर. 2 आया, डाल दिया इधर. 4 दिखा, डाल दिया इधर. 10 डाल दिया इधर. 8 नहीं हो रहा है, दूसरा बनाओ. अब क्या करेंगे? 21. So there are two options. Either you put behind 10 or here. So you will put behind 10. 6, no option. 7, only one option is there, I think. 3, no option. 4, only one option. 5, only one option. So guys, 1 2 3 4. 4 is the answer. Everyone react with emoji if they understand that 4 is the answer, guys. React with emoji. Love you. Now, going back, how can we solve without creating this mess? In your set, what will you do? You will just maintain the last number. In the set, you put vertical set, okay? 1 दिखा, 1 डाल दिया. 2, पता है मुझे ये 1 से बड़ा है, तो ये 1, 2 will be good stuff, right? So you remove the 1 and replace it by 2. You can do the remove operation in your sorted set. Must be doing sorted set if you are in my program. 4 आ गया, पता है तुमको 2 का 4 के साथ रिलेशन सही बनेगा, तो क्या करोगे? निकाल दो 2 को. Now the set which I have has the last one subsequence I have stored and its last element is 4. 1 2 को रखो ही मत, कोई, it is not of use guys, think about it. Next 10, पता है तुमको 4, 10 का अच्छा बनेगा, तो निकाल दो 4 को, 10 डाल दो इधर. सिंपल, लाइफ इज इजी. 8, पता है रिलेशनशिप नहीं होने वाली है, दूसरा बनाना पड़ेगा, so 8 here. 21. अब now if you do upper bound lower bound, you will come to know that 21 can go with 10 also and 8 also. So what will you do? You will go with the bigger number. So 10 को replace कर दो 21 के साथ. 21 is the red. Okay. So let me cut it out and replace it by 21. Such a nice brilliant problem. Increases your mind capacity so much. Now guys, what 6? पता है 6 का तो सेट किसके भी साथ नहीं हो रहा है. So I will just make a new place for 6. 7, I know 6 will bond with 7, so remove 6, put 7. 3 पता है फिर से बॉन्ड नहीं हो रहा, यहाँ पर डाल दिया 3. ओके, सो लेट मी यूज अ इरेजर. 7, I know that 7 will bond with 6, so replace 6 by 7. 3, I know 3 का सेट नहीं हो रहा, so what will I do? I will make a new space for 3. See guys, this question is so easy. Just push in, push out of your set. Okay, 3. Then 4, I know 3 का 4 के साथ bond अच्छा बनेगा. So 4 here. Then 4, I know 4 का bond 5 के साथ अच्छा बनेगा. When 4 bonds nicely with 3, so 3, 4. Then after putting 4 here, see, there was 3 here, right? You cut it and you write it 4. Then after 4, you cut it and write it here 5. Okay. Guys, final answer is how many elements are in the set? 1, 2, 3, 4. React with emoji if it is clear to you guys. Like this. Using sorted set, you solve this problem. This was the explanation to it. Hope you guys like the brilliant explanation. Guys, be quick, quick, quick. Codes will be uploaded in C++, Java, Python, and the time complexity is n log n. Because तुम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम बस ट्रैवल कर रहे हो. बंदा आ रहा है, तुम देख रहे हो उसको कहाँ पर डालना चाहिए. उसको देखने के लिए log n टाइम लगेगा इन द सेट, कहाँ पर उसको डालना चाहिए, द बिगर एलिमेंट और स्मॉलर वन. And we do have the biggest and smallest functions prepared in C++, Java, Python. You can open this doc and check out the codes which you can use. Okay, and when you are removing also, it's taking log n time. So in each operation a maximum 2 log n time it will take, and you're doing it for n times, so 2n log n. So hope you guys understood it and enjoyed it. Okay, let me save it.